Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It is. How are you today, David?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I just had a nice cup of tea, so I'm feeling relaxed and ready to talk.
Ooh, tea is perfect. I'm doing well too, but I'm a little tired today.
Tired? Oh no, but don't worry. Our topic today is perfect for tired people too.
Really? What is it?
Today, we are talking about improving your English vocabulary. Easy ways to learn new words every day.
Ah, yes. Vocabulary is very important for speaking and understanding English.
That's right. And the good news is that learning new words can be fun.
Before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying this episode, please take 1 second and click the like button. It really helps us. And please subscribe to Miss English Podcast so you never miss our new episodes.
And share this with a friend, especially if they are learning English. We would love for them to join us.
Thank you so much. Okay, Emily, are you ready to learn some new words today?
I am. Let's start. So, David, what is the first tip for learning vocabulary?
Well, the first tip is to read every day. Reading helps you see new words in context.
Yes, I love reading. For example, I read a simple English book yesterday, and I learned the word enormous. It means very, very big.
Ah, yes, enormous. That's a great word. I also read a book and learned the word tiny. It means very small.
So, enormous and tiny are opposite words. That's very useful for learning vocabulary.
Exactly. And when you learn a new word, try to use it in a sentence immediately.
Like, the elephant is enormous, but the mouse is tiny.
Perfect. That's exactly how you remember words.
Okay, what is the second tip?
The second tip is to listen to English every day. Music, podcasts, TV shows, anything.
Yes, listening helps you hear how words are used. For example, I listened to a song yesterday and learned the word delicious.
Delicious? Oh, yes. That's a very useful word for food. Like, the cake is delicious.
Or, this soup is delicious, too.
Exactly. And you can also learn new words from watching videos or listening to podcasts, just like this one.
That's right. And tip number 3 is practice speaking. Don't just read or listen. Speak the words aloud.
Yes. For example, today we can practice some useful words together.
Okay, let's practice words for daily life. How about happy, sad, tired, excited, busy?
Great. I'll make a sentence. I am happy today because I learned new words.
Oh, I like that. I feel sad when I forget a word, but I am excited to learn it again.
Perfect, Emily. And here's another one. I am tired in the morning, but listening to English makes me feel happy.
Yes, this is a fun way to practice.
And tip number 4 is write down new words in a notebook.
I do that too. Every day, I write 5 to 10 new words and their meanings. Then I try to use them in a sentence.
Writing helps your brain remember. I also like to draw a little picture for the word sometimes. Like for enormous, I draw a big elephant.
That's a smart idea. And tip number 5 is review words regularly. Don't just learn them once.
Right. Repetition is very important. I try to review my notebook every evening.
So let's review some words we practiced today. Enormous, tiny, delicious, happy, sad, tired, excited, busy.
Yes, and now we can make a little conversation using some of these words.
Okay, I am tired today, but my breakfast was delicious, so I feel happy.
That's perfect. And I'm excited to learn more words tomorrow.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Write a sentence using at least 3 new words you learned today.
And don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us what words you like to learn and how you practice English every day.
And please click the like button, subscribe to Miss English Podcast, and share this episode with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, words like enormous, tiny, delicious, happy, sad, tired, excited, busy.
Keep practicing every day, and your English will get stronger.
Now, let's continue with some new words and examples to expand your vocabulary. Tip number 6 is use synonyms and antonyms. For example, the word happy has synonyms like joyful, cheerful, delighted.
And antonyms would be sad, unhappy, upset.
Yes. Try making sentences with synonyms and antonyms. It helps you remember the meaning.
Let's practice. I am joyful today because the weather is sunny.
And I feel upset when I lose my pen.
Perfect.
Tip number 7 is learn words with examples from real life.
Right. For example, the word crowded. The market is crowded today because it's Saturday.
Or the word empty. The bus is empty in the morning.
These words are easy to remember because you see them every day.
Tip number 8 is use flashcards.
Yes, one side has the word, the other side has the meaning or a sentence. Test yourself daily.
Tip number 9 is teach someone else. Explaining a word to a friend helps your memory.
And tip number 10 is play word games. Crossword puzzles, word searches, apps. They make learning fun.
Let's practice some words together. Emily, give me a sentence with tiny.
The kitten is tiny and cute.
Excellent. Now a sentence with busy.
I am busy today, so I cannot go to the movies.
Great. How about excited?
I am excited because I am learning new English words.
Perfect. Listeners, now your turn. Make 3 sentences with new words today.
And leave your sentences in the comments.
Another tip is learn words by themes. For example, food, delicious, spicy, sweet, sour.
And feelings, happy, sad, excited, bored, nervous.
Or home, comfortable, cozy, messy, clean, warm.
Let's practice. I feel cozy in my warm bed.
And my room is messy today, but I am happy because I cleaned it yesterday.
Wonderful.
Tip number 12 is repeat words aloud. Listening and repeating improves memory and pronunciation.
Let's do it now. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
One more. Learning new words is fun and exciting.
Learning new words is fun and exciting.
Listeners, you can practice this daily for 5 to 10 minutes.
And tip number 13 is use new words in conversations. Don't just memorize, speak them.
Right. Try using new words with friends or family.
Let's do a short conversation using today's words.
I am tired today, but my breakfast was delicious and I feel happy.
And I am excited because I learned enormous, tiny, and busy today.
Perfect.
Listeners, now your turn. Make a conversation with at least 3 new words.
Leave a comment for us. Tell us your favorite new words and sentences.
And don't forget to click like, subscribe Miss English Podcast, and share this episode.
Thank you for listening. Words like enormous, tiny, delicious, happy, sad, tired, excited, busy, cozy, messy, crowded, empty.
Keep practicing every day and your vocabulary will grow faster.
Vocabulary is the key to understanding and speaking English well.
Have a wonderful day and keep learning English.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.